Hello coders. Today in Excel we are going to build roster table. So roster table is something like based on the month. Here in this cell 1, 2, 3, 4, the date of the days will be populated, and likewise from in the second one. So this column is for the date or day or date, maybe I will be writing date, and the second column will be for the day of the week, day of week. So before moving into practical or trying it on your own, try to think of the logic which I am trying to explain it to you. So in this range of cells, what we will be having, for date, we know that for date we can use select this particular, or maybe control shift right arrow. For this particular row we will be having a format cell dialog box, and we know that for date it is dd. dd means 01, 02, d means 1 2 3, 11 will be 11, that's another scenario. So date will be in dd format. Press ok. Day of the week, control shift right arrow, will be pressing control 1, or over the selection we can right click and select the format cell dialog box, and then going to custom will be changing it to triple D is for month, tu, wait, 4D is for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So let me make it DDDD. Fine, okay. Now comes the formula. So date means date function. So what we will be using is a function. Now the beauty of the function is as such, whenever, first of all let me build up the function. Date is asking for the year, which is 2024, and it is asking for the month, which is this one, comma 1. Now the beauty of a function in Excel is something like this. Whenever the year and the month changes, accordingly the day and accordingly that cell value will be adjusted. Press enter. 01, fine. So drag all the way across to until and unless you are having nam, okay. Sorry, my mistake. So this is date 01 will be having equal to this value added up with 1. Press enter and drag all the way across to some range of cells. 31. We are not having 32. See, it is showing 01. So 10 is 30. So let me change the value and tally it out. This was 10. What if this has been 9? Now let's see what's the scenario. See, it has automatically adjusted to 30 as the value, and then 01, 02 for the next one. So that's the beauty of the function, date function. Now comes day of the week. We'll be having a function equal to weekday. What it takes is a serial number. So this is the serial number, comma, return type would be 1, bracket close, enter. So 01 is a Sunday. Let's check it out whether month 9. So this is October. For simplicity, let me make this 10 and select the whole of the table and make some auto adjustment. Okay, auto fit, that is. Let's see whether October had the, yeah. So October started from Tuesday. 1st of October was Tuesday. Fine. Yeah, 1st of October is Tuesday. Fine. So we'll be dragging all the way across to 30. Again, click the whole sheet and make a double click. Okay, fine. Now we have achieved 2 of our goal. Whatever month we are giving and whatever year we are giving, the date and the day of the week will be automatically populated by Excel. But there is another catch. Within this range of cell, we want Saturday and Sunday to have a custom color formatting of red. Since it is a holiday, if considered for government officials and many of IT sector officials as well. So this formatting will be based on this particular range of cells. So select whole of the range, and within this cell we will be having a particular formula that will be a new rule. Our custom formula we will be using. So what formula? Equal to, or if either of these two condition is true, or this column, either if it is a 1 or it is a 7. So if this column B7, $B$7 means B is fixed, 7 is also fixed, but that is not the scenario. B will be changing, B to C to D to E, F, that will be changing, but this 7, the row number won't change. So we'll be pressing F4 key from our keyboard. Now it's B$7 means the formula will be applied on B might change, but 7 means the row, that particular row won't be changing. So if it is value is equal to 1 for Saturday, or if its value, again we will be pressing F4, if it is value is equal to 7, then we will be having some custom formatting, and that formatting will be as such that the fill color will be red and the font will be bold, and let's leave it like this and press OK, then OK. Okay, so the formatting didn't work. So okay, so let me redefine the formula. I made a small mistake. So here it won't be use the formula, cancel. So here conditional format, manage rules. So this is the formula. Let me edit it. This won't be okay, fine. So let me delete this rule. I made a small mistake. The formula will be something like this, that if within this range of cells, let me extend the range of cell up to Shivashish Nag, yeah, conditional formatting, new rule, use the formula equal to, or if day of the week, not the date. So if weekday, so for Tuesday, the formula which we had used in that particular cell was weekday. So this formula will be, the custom formatting will be based on the weekday value, not on the date. Now press F4 key. So B$8 means the row number will be changing, 8 to 9 to 10, something like that. But B$8 means 8 would be fixed, but B will be changing. If its value is 1, means Saturday, or again that particular cell, its value is equal to 7. So if it is a Saturday or Sunday, we'll be having a custom format. So we'll be going to the fill option, then this red, and the font will be bold, and now press OK. Then press OK. So here are the formatting. Let me change the month from 10 to 06 maybe. Press enter. See, it's the whole of the table has changed. So let me also refer to the calendar whether it is showing properly or not. So according to my assumption, Saturday, for 6 means June had June 2024 started from Saturday. So let me open this notification, this particular thing, and move to June, September, August, July, June. So June started from Saturday and Sunday, and it ended on 30th of that particular. So let me see whether it is showing 30 or not. Yeah, it's showing 30. So we can make another change, that is present or absent. So present, for a present and absent, we can use this particular formula, this particular font. Let me select this whole of the cell range. Okay, let me select this whole of the range up to this one, or maybe one more. So here we won't be having any font such as Calibri or Times New Roman. We'll be having a custom font, and the name of that font will be Webdings. Press enter. Now remember, you have to turn off the caps lock. If you press A, it will be a present, and if you press R, it will be a absent. Now you can easily do a countif function on this range of cell. This countif function would be taking a range of cell, comma, if it is within quotation, if it is A, that will be the counting, that is the total number of days he has been present, that particular person is present for that month. So before ending the video, let me revise what I did. I choose this range of cells, that is date, and I change its format from, so that the format in general, if you are using the date function, then its format would be date, but from the date we will be extracting something. So date can be formatted as, if DD is being given, it will be 1 2 3 4. If triple M is for month and YY for year. So we will be selecting this range of cell, and from custom format dialog box, which you can do is by right clicking on here, and then from here format cell, you can select this format cell dialog box custom, the shortcut key to which is Ctrl+1. From there go to custom and make the changes for this row, and it would be showing in a date format, but we will be showing in a custom date format, which is double D. For the weekday, again we will be making some changes. Double D means 01, single D means 1, and for weekday, triple D means Monday, wait, and 4D means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the day of the week as a whole. So that's the modification we did for these two range of, for these two rows or range of cells. Then we used a row function, date function, and it is taking in C6, which is the, so let me write here the date function and show you what it takes. So it takes in the year as the first value. So to make it dynamic, make a small table like this, select the year, comma, give the month number, and comma day means it will be starting from day 1. Fine. And for Saturday, Sunday, we will be using weekday. So weekday means it will be taking a serial number, which is date basically, comma 1, bracket close. And for this particular custom cell formatting, we will be selecting this range of cell, and we will be using equal to or, and within bracket we will be referencing this $8, means B, this particular B will be changed, will be changing B to C. So Saturday can be on B, or maybe Saturday can be on E. So the formula is something like equal to or $, the row number, comma, or, so I have given or, so $, again another row number, and then the formatting is done. So you can watch this particular video back and forth, and let me know if I am able to clear out with the explanation what I did with this roster table. And for this custom format, for this particular present and absent, you can select this range of cell, and you can use a font which is Webdings, by in which if you press A, present will be, that is a tick mark will be given, and if you press R, a cross will be given. That is the Webding fonts, that how it works. So that's all for this Excel video. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.